Hi everyone, welcome to Odo Doris Healthy Tasty Meals. If you're new here, you're very much welcome. This channel is all about showing you healthy recipes and how to make a healthy tasty meals. So in today's quick video, I want to show you how to make a ginger powder. As you may know, ginger is a root food that has a lot of medicinal benefits. It treats nausea, it treats indigestion if you're having muscle pain, and it also helps to cleanse the heart, guys. So just sit back and see how we make this ginger powder. I understand that making a ginger tea or ginger drink sometimes can be discouraging because you have to slice or grate each time you want to make a ginger tea or drink. But when you make a ginger powder, it will be very easier for you each time you want to have a ginger drink. It's just to scoop a teaspoon and mix with your tea or warm water, then you have a ginger drink. So make your own ginger powder with these easy simple steps. First, I kind of clean up the ginger very cleanly, just like this, as you see, and cut open. Cutting it open will help it to dry very fast. Then I just wash it very clean, wash it like 2 times and spread it on a plain surface. You can dry it under the sun, you can dry it with your oven, but don't close the oven when you're drying it. Just leave it a little bit open so that the vapor can go out. For me, I dry it under the sun because my location, I have a very full sunlight, so I dry it like 2 to 3 days. It will be completely dry. Okay, so just spread it on a plain surface like this. Here is it, well spread so that it can dry very fast. Once it's dry, it's going to look like this, very dry, and just a kind of try to break 1 or 2 pieces. If you still feel or see the milky color inside, know that it's not fully dry. This method, just break it, inside will be very whitish. That shows it's very dry. You can still maybe break it into a tiny pieces to help your blender to blend it well, or whichever way, just get it blended to smoothness. Sometimes I take it to mill when I'm doing a large quantity, but you can still use your grinder just as I want to use for this demonstration. So you need to grind it very well to a powder form, and it will look like this. So you can still sieve it if you want to take out some of the fibers, but I still want to have it like complete in my meal. It's when I want to take tea, I sieve a little for my tea. So I hope you like the video. If you want more videos on healthy tasty meals, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you on my next video.